Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe your summer holidays or vacations. You should say when and where you visited, what you did there, with whom you went there, and explain why you like that holidays. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So this is a very straightforward question. You can talk about any place that you visited. Usually people like to visit hill stations during their holidays or even go to beaches or any other place of your choice. So any place can be used for a question like this. But you also need to just emphasize that the question is asking you about your summer holidays and the questions are all in past tense. So make sure that whatever you are speaking about should be all in past tense. Okay? Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Vacations provide a break to people from their monotonous routines and help in uncluttering their minds to create more mental space. And today, I would like to speak about my summer holidays when I went to Gir National Park in the state of Gujarat. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. So monotonous means daily or boring. Uncluttering their minds means to free up their minds or to relax their mind. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I went there and tried the jungle safari between the months of May to June, as the core area of the park remains open for the public, as well as temperatures are soaring high, and hence it is predicted to be the ideal time for sighting the ferocious and majestic lions. So, as you all can see, we have started answering the second question, which is what you did there. Core area means the main area. Soaring high means very high. Sighting means viewing or seeing. Ferocious means scary and majestic means huge or big. So we have used a range of vocabulary words here and all these will enhance our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. You can actually pause the video and make a list of all of these words so next time when you're practicing speaking you can use it in your conversation as well. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, I went there with my family members and enjoyed the open jeep ride amidst the dry and deciduous surroundings in the national park, along with the added excitement of viewing a wide range of flora and fauna in their natural habitats. So, flora means plants and fauna means animals. Natural habitats means natural living places or natural places where they are actually found. Besides that, I also spent a couple of nights in a reputed resort located amidst the tranquil backdrop of Mother Nature, which was a totally new and unique experience for all of us. So, reputed means famous or popular, tranquil means calm or serene. Alright, so we have answered the first 3 questions. The last question, which is explain why you like that holidays, still remains. So, let's answer that. Finally, I felt on cloud 9 as my holidays provided all of us with an opportunity to develop stronger bonds while relaxing our minds as well as de stressing ourselves at the same time, and I still cherish the sweet memories of my trip. So, we have used an idiom here which is felt on cloud 9, that means to be extremely happy. And using idiomatic phrases actually increases our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. De-stressing means removing your stress or getting rid of your stress. Cherish means to still remember. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.